Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will learn how to appear offline in Valorant. In order to appear offline in Valorant, we have to download Deceive. So first go to the browser. In the search panel, type Deceive space Valorant. Now go to the first GitHub page. Now scroll down until you find the Assets tab and download deceive.exe. Select a destination. I'll just select desktop, save. Now Deceive has downloaded. Now right click on Deceive and send to desktop as a shortcut. Now right click on the shortcut, go to properties. Now find the target section and at the end type Valorant. Now hit apply and OK. Now just run Deceive and it will run Valorant in offline mode. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.